What's up everybody, Devin up here and I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to present you the Galaxy S20. Let's have some fun with this, see what this baby can do. We're gonna take some photos, go through it, unbox it. Let's do it. Started. Thank you. They made this so much easier. Just one tape. Keeping it simple. One tape. Oh, come on, man. All right. It's the box. Let's see what's inside of here. So right here, you got your SIM card popper. It's a guidebook, shows some features on how not to lose things. And this phone comes with a screen protector attached to it already, so that's pretty cool. Good job, Samsung. And terms and conditions. That's enough for this part. Here's the phone itself. This is your first time seeing it. Right. We just gonna ignore what happened. I don't know what happened. Nice and beautiful phone. This comes with a fast charger. Great. Comes with the USB Type-C's, double ends, USB Type-C's. You got your wired USB headphones. Come with buds also, extra buds with it. And that's about it. Let's get into this phone. So far, the feel of this phone is nice and solid compared to a Note and the last series. It just feels great in a hand.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Bro, who are you talking to? It feels like it's been well built and put together. The USB type ports right here. As you see, it has the speakers. Right here is where you will insert your SIM card. And there's no buttons on this side, but you do have all your buttons on the right side. And you got your volume button and your power button, and everything else is just nothing but screen. And the screen is nice and beautiful. As you see, it's mostly all all screen. As you see the edges around, see it's just all screen. Barely any bezels or like notches. It's just all screen, which is awesome. So here's a cool thing about this phone. You can actually copy your apps and data from your previous phone to this phone, and it makes it much easier, so that's great. Only thing you have to do is just have it side by side. You can actually transfer your stuff from an iPhone also. So hey, listen, Apple, if you want to transfer over here to Samsung, you know, hey, do what you gotta do. Me, I'm an Apple person. I can't come over just yet. Maybe this phone might do it for me, but we'll see. So just that easy and that simple. You just hold the phone side by side. My phone's right here. I didn't really do anything. I just hit the button, okay, and it's transferred the data over. We also have your standard protections. You can use a face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and password. All of that is self-explanatory. So it comes with 5 password protections. You can add as many as you want. For that super protective, you know, if you're doing something that you're not supposed to do, that person will have a hard time trying to figure out, you know what I'm saying? You ain't hear from me, don't blame me.
Boy, what the fuck going on in Miami, bro? Boy, she would've got in that bitch. Oh, shit, that shit just disappeared.
Alright, so this phone, again, I already mentioned it. It just feels high quality. It just feels really great in the hands. When you hold it, you can just really feel and tell that this phone has been built just with great quality, and it feels great, and it just very firm. So next, let's get into the phone features and what it can do. All right, so let's get into this phone now. The operating system is Android's new OS 10, 6.2 inches of screen, no bezels, barely any, 120 megahertz of resolution. It comes with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, whichever you get. It comes with 128 storage of gigabytes, and also you can add a micro SD, more storage. This phone comes with 11 hours of battery. So the camera right here, the rear, has 12 megapixels right here, 12 megapixels right here, and also you have your new 64 megapixel camera for the optical zoom. That goes up to 30 times zoom. Lastly, for your small bezel right here, 10 megapixels is really small. All right, so let's get into the price point. You're gonna buy the S20, the basic model. It's gonna cost you $999, pretty much $1,000. Also, you don't have the headphone jack anymore. You have now, as you see, the USB Type-C port. So trust me, you won't really miss it. I mean, come on now. You got these Galaxy Buds, Buds Plus, Jabras, AirPod Pros, AirPods. You have all these options out here. Sony, just too many options out here. Beats, whatever you want to use, you know, they're out here. And also, I mean, if you really need wired headphones, you do have some wired headphones that come with the phone if you guys want to use that. Let's get into something really basic that I just really enjoy, and that's just the phone changing like that. That's amazing. I didn't touch anything. I just turned it on and it just changes. We don't really get that on our iPhones for whatever reason. You know, we're the quote unquote innovators, and you know, when you touch your phone, the moon's supposed to move and it's not moving for me.
Why you mad?
All right, let me stop playing. Let's get to the point where everyone is here for, and that is the camera feature. Y'all need to chill, because what I'm about to tell y'all is gonna blow y'all away. All right, so I'm in the camera settings right now. I'm going to the settings. And if we just scroll up a bit, and if you see that rear camera where it says right here, yeah, let's go to it. 1.1, 16.9. Oh, wait, what's that? Hold up, what? 8K? Bro, what? Hold up, yes, focus on that 8K. Apple, come on, man, we gotta steal this. Yeah, steal. All right, so let's get into the options. You got your Wi-Fi, sound, Bluetooth, auto rotate, airplane mode, flashlight, power mode, wireless power share, mobile data, mobile hotspot, link to Windows. You can actually link your phone to Windows, which is an amazing feature. Seriously. I'm not gonna lie, I am one of them Apple people who kind of trash this phone, and it's me using Samsung products more and more. I'm honestly learning to appreciate these phones. Seriously. Scan QR code, blue light filter. This helps out with your eyes. Location, smart view, do not disturb. That's self-explanatory. And also, you know, you can actually change the lighting on here. And if it's too bright, it has an orange that you know like, hey, this is a little bit too bright. You might want to power it down. Next, secure folder, NFC, always on display, screen recorder, which is actually a clutch feature to have, quick share, sync, edge light, music share, Dolby Atmos, kids home, and with that, your kids can play on the phone and they cannot go back without the password. You got dark mode, which I love, Bixby routines, and focus mode. Bro, Bixby, I love Bixby. Y'all know I love Bixby. I found out over the last Bixby stuff. The fact that you can pretty much search stuff with this, with Bixby, I love it. Like, that's crazy. I love Bixby. Seriously, Apple, steal this stuff, man. Steal it. You also have Samsung Daily. With that, you can actually check what's new, what's going on in Samsung, or just the news in general. So that's great to know. All right, and also this phone actually comes with Google apps, your Microsoft apps, such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Cloud, Outlook. You know, you got your Samsung apps right here, Yarzone, Bixby, Galaxy Wearable, Internet, My Files, Samsung Health, Samsung Members, Smart Things, and Smart Switch. Your Galaxy Store, Facebook, of course, Gallery, Game Launcher, Messages, Netflix, Play Store, Samsung Global Goals. I recommend you guys checking this out. Samsung Notes, Samsung Pay, just also like Apple Pay if you guys aren't familiar. Spotify, Tips, and YouTube Music. All right, it's awesome, man. This phone comes packed. All right, guys, this is Devin up here. What did you guys think about this phone? Seriously, I'm really appreciating Samsung products. The more I use it, their phones are amazing. Honestly, they're just making Apple look just very basic. And which I already knew, just the stuff that it comes with, it just makes it so basic, and it kind of makes me want to just switch over. Like, y'all ain't gonna get me, man. Seriously, I'm trying to hold on to Apple as best as I can. Hopefully this 12 does something for me, but seriously, like I'm just slowly like appreciating and be like, man, this Samsung right here, man, because they coming out with it every phone that it comes out with, and it's like every year, of course. It just has something for you, but I don't know what's just keeping me from just not using it. Like, subscribe, check out my next video, because I'm gonna go in depth more with each app. This is kind of like a quick guide of what this phone is, unboxing, what it does, its features. You guys know I go into depth with things, and I'm gonna get into it, and I'm gonna let you guys know more stuff about it, and I'm gonna have fun with that. Please, if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. You guys know I got you, and I'm gonna look more into some stuff if you guys have any questions. Again, this is the base model. This is Devin up. You guys have a blessed day. Subscribe to my Instagram, Twitter. I have no followers on there. Show me some love. I want to start interacting with you guys and having more fun with you guys, because I love when you guys reach out to me and talk trash. I love when you guys compliment me. Like, I love having fun. I'm a troll, so hey, listen, if you come at me, I'm gonna troll you back. I'm just letting you know. But don't go too far, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, I'm out. Thanks for watching.